Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, enter Google Pay, tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Select shop, for example IKEA Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap save. And it's done. Now let's select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, you have to select shop, enter your details, then tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.